Hey everyone, it's Nolan with Premier Automotive Source in Jacksonville, Florida. I want to take a minute to walk around my Joose Orange 2025 Jeep Gladiator Mojave X. This is an 8,000 mile truck. It's got just a little over 8,000 miles. One owner, perfectly clean Carfax, no accident history, no damage. Super clean truck inside and out, still under factory warranty, has a lot of great factory options. We'll go over those as we walk around, but to begin with, we'll tell you about the JKS suspension system. It's got a nice 2.5 inch JKS lift, adjustable track bars, Fox 2.5 reservoir shocks. Thing rides incredible, it's awesome. Put a set of Mickey Thompson Baja all-terrain tires on it. Those are 37 1250 17s on the Method wheels, the gloss black Method wheels. Just give it a really nice look. Of course, it's got the NFAB side steps. On the front, you'll find it's got a 10,000 pound Superwinch. All that is brand new. All that's been done. A lot of money has been spent on this. In addition to that stuff, it's got a lot of great factory options. Got the spray-in bed liner from the factory, painted to match, factory hardtop. This Jeep was just under $65,000 brand new. That was the original MSRP. So you take that and you add all these extras. This is a great opportunity for someone to save a lot of money and have a nearly new Gladiator that is nice and fresh and new. All this has just been done. It's got tinted windows, the 3-piece Freedom top. This is really awesome. You can take these off. Got a bag under the back seat, the factory bags for storage, so that comes with the Jeep. Dual power front seats. I love the interior contrast. This is something you really have to see it in person to really appreciate. The green and the black with the orange, it just looks awesome. Just really stands out. This one has heated seats, heated steering wheel. The premium audio has all the tech stuff that you'd want in one of these. The insulated headliner. It has the Bluetooth tailgate speaker. That's included. That is behind the back seat. A lot of times you'll find these in the used market that is not there anymore. Everything comes from this Jeep. We have both keys, the factory mats. Got the storage bag for the top. We have the programmer that we used to program for the larger tires so the speedometer is correct. That is included with the Jeep. Like I said, steel bumper group comes on the Mojave X. You got your trail camera. This is a 10,000 pound Superwinch with a synthetic line. A little bit about our company. We do not charge any dealer fees. We are a very straightforward dealership. I'm the owner of the company. If you call 904-382-7230, you will be speaking to me. We take a lot of pride in what we sell. We are Jeep enthusiasts. We love the Jeep market. We love our Jeep customers. We know these things quite well. We've been doing this a little over 20 years. I'd be happy to answer any questions about this Jeep. If this is not exactly what you're looking for, we can locate and build you something. Feel free to reach out. Give me a call. If you go to my website, premierautosource.com, you'll find a copy of the Carfax. We've got a link to some financing for customers with really good credit. We've got some links that you can follow. Also, we have some of the best resources for shipping. So if you see this Jeep and you're in California or somewhere else in the world, we ship worldwide. Nationwide shipping is absolutely not a problem. We work with some of the best brokers in the industry. So that's just a matter of getting you a quote. We can have it shipped to your door. I really appreciate your time and interest, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.